How to get Celestial Mutation in Grow a Garden Roblox. Let's get started. So to get the Celestial Mutation, you'll need to be on a game during moonlit weather. So the moonlit weather has a chance to create a meteor shower, and that meteor shower will give you the Celestial. Now, in order to get the Celestial to your plants or fruits, you have a chance for the meteor shower to hit your plants. And in order to boost that, you'll need to use Star Color. Now this star color will direct the meteor shower to hit your plants directly. So simply just place it near your plants. So once you place that near your plants, there's a huge chance that the meteor shower will hit your fruits. So once it hits your fruits, it will automatically become celestial. So as you can see here, my nectarine has a celestial mutation. Now what the celestial mutation does is gives you 50 times boost on your fruits or plants. So if you sell that, it will be 50 times more expensive. And that is very, very good for all the fruits to get a celestial mutation. And that's how you can basically get the celestial mutation. And the other ways to get it is from admin commands. So other than that, it's very, very simple to get the celestial mutation. You just wait for the moonlit and wait for the meteor shower during a weather event.